Hi, my name is Steve Burnett. I'm an applications engineer for Hanna Instruments. Today we're actually going to be talking about our colorimeters and the science behind them. What the colorimeters are based off of is Beer-Lambert, and Beer-Lambert states that a solution of varying concentration will absorb more light than a solution of lesser concentration. What we've prepared here is a series of chlorine solutions, and as they're red in color, they should absorb my complementary green color laser and let my red color laser pass right on through unchanged. So now I'd like to go demonstrate this. Alright, so what we have here is we have our series of solutions. We go from 0 to 12 parts per million. First we're going to go into our 0, then our 1, and then our 3, 6, and 12. But before we begin all that, we're actually going to show you what our little green laser looks like in air. As you can see, it's fairly bright, no major problems, and as we go into the clear, it still retains a lot of that brightness. It's a little bit distorted because of the glass, but it still retains its overall power. We go into the air, again, still bright, a little bit dimmer with that one, not too much. We go back into air, again it goes back to being bright, and now we come here. We're starting to see some real dimming occurring here. It's substantially less bright than it was previously. By the time we get down here, it's even more dim, and finally, our last solution, it's almost barely visible. And this is actually a pretty powerful laser, so when we go back into air, we can see it clearly. Going back, dim, air. So this is the principle upon which Beer-Lambert operates, where it's actually absorbing the color. If we do this by comparison with our red laser, alright, so we've already done the experiment with the green laser where we demonstrated that the light is actually absorbed by the complementary color solution. In this case, we're actually going to repeat the same experiment using a red light. According to our hypothesis, this should actually not be absorbed. So going through our clear solution, we see a little bit of dimming, and that's a good characteristic to check in the others. As we go through, we just don't see any major dimming, not anywhere near what we saw with the green laser. And this effectively proves that complementary colors are absorbed rather than the same color. I hope you've enjoyed the demonstration. If you have any questions on our colorimeters or any of our other products, please feel free to contact your local Hanna office. Again, I thank you for your time and have a good day.